What's up, everyone? Today we're checking out the top 5 best dart blaster pistol options for action-packed fun and competitive play. Whether you're into backyard battles or target practice, Budget Buying has the best picks lined up for you. Let's gear up and dive in. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Aktion Dart Blaster Pistol. The Aktion Dart Blaster Pistol is designed to bring exciting, action-packed playtime right into your home or outdoor space. Built to inspire imagination and movement, this dart blaster encourages kids to step away from screens and dive into thrilling adventure scenarios filled with energy and creativity. Engineered with a realistic pistol-style design, the blaster features an engaging reload system that makes every play session feel like a real mission. Kids can experience the fun of reloading like a pro, adding an extra layer of excitement to their imaginative battles and challenges. Comfort is at the heart of its design. The ergonomic grip ensures a lightweight and easy-to-hold structure, allowing children to play comfortably for long periods without strain. Whether it's a quick skirmish or an extended adventure, the blaster remains easy to handle and control. One of its most practical features is the built-in 3-dart storage compartment located in the handle. This clever design keeps extra foam darts within reach at all times, eliminating interruptions and allowing for smooth, continuous action during play. Performance is another highlight of the Aktion Dart Blaster Pistol. It is capable of firing foam darts up to an impressive distance of 50 feet, helping kids develop better hand-eye coordination, focus, and accuracy while staying fully engaged in active play. Overall, the Aktion Dart Blaster Pistol combines realistic design, comfort, smart storage, and strong shooting performance to deliver an immersive play experience that keeps kids active, engaged, and entertained for hours. Coming in at number 4, the Allroad Dart Blaster Pistol. The Allroad Dart Blaster Pistol is an exciting and action-packed toy gun set designed to bring energetic playtime experiences for kids. Built for fun group activities, it offers a complete package that encourages friendly competition, skill development, and imaginative play. This newest blaster set includes 2 lightweight dart guns, 16 extra soft foam bullets, and 2 wristbands for convenient dart storage. With this rich combination of accessories, children can immediately jump into interactive shooting games with friends or family. The dual blaster design makes it perfect for team play, allowing kids to challenge each other in accuracy-based games and enjoy endless rounds of safe competition. Each blaster is crafted from kid-friendly ABS plastic, ensuring durability while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. The simple reload mechanism allows children as young as 6 years old to easily pull back, load, and fire darts without difficulty. This smooth operation helps improve hand-eye coordination and motor skills while keeping the gameplay engaging and fun. The included 16 foam darts are made from high-quality EVA foam and durable plastic materials, allowing repeated use without losing performance. Their soft construction ensures safer play during indoor or outdoor activities. The 2 wristbands add extra convenience by letting kids carry spare darts easily, keeping the action going without interruption. Designed as an ideal gift option, the Allroad Dart Blaster Pistol is suitable for children aged 6 to 12 years old. It makes a great choice for birthdays, holidays, or special rewards, especially for kids who enjoy adventurous and active play. By combining excitement, teamwork, and safe materials, this dart blaster set delivers hours of entertaining gameplay and memorable moments for young players. At number 3, we have the Favonian Dart Blaster Pistol. The Favonian Dart Blaster Pistol is a modern soft bullet toy designed to bring excitement, action and imaginative play to both kids and adults. Built with a sleek, high-tech aesthetic, it delivers a futuristic look that stands out during play sessions and Nerf-style battles. Available in two stylish variants, HS001 Black and HS001 Gary, this soft bullet pistol combines design versatility with strong performance appeal. Each version maintains the same core engineering, offering a consistent and reliable experience regardless of color preference. Crafted from high-quality ABS, nylon, and alloy materials, the blaster is designed for durability and long-lasting use. These premium components not only enhance the overall texture and grip, but also ensure a solid feel in hand, making every shot smooth and controlled. The construction reflects a balance between lightweight handling and sturdy performance, suitable for active play. The Favonian Dart Blaster Pistol is suitable for soft bullet toy fun, making it ideal for friendly competitions, target practice, and imaginative missions. Its soft bullet design ensures engaging play while maintaining a safe and enjoyable experience for participants. Recommended for ages 8 and up, this blaster is not just for children, but also appeals to teenagers and adults who enjoy Nerf-style games and group battles. It brings people together for energetic indoor or outdoor entertainment, making it a versatile choice for family fun or friendly matchups. With its futuristic design, durable build, and wide age compatibility, the Favonian Dart Blaster Pistol HS001 series delivers an engaging soft bullet experience that combines style, action, and endless fun in one compact form. Next up, at number 2, is the Dart Zone Nitroshot Dart Blaster Pistol. The Dart Zone Nitroshot Dart Blaster Pistol delivers fast-paced dart action in a compact, tactical design built for precision and speed. It comes bundled with the Dart Zone Max Outlaw Ultimate Dart Blaster, along with 6 half-length Dart Zone Max Nitroshot Plus darts and Max eyewear gear for added safety during play. Designed for performance, this blaster is capable of firing darts up to 125 feet, giving players impressive range for both indoor and outdoor battles. Its small silhouette is enhanced with a bright base color scheme accented by bold red and orange details, making it visually striking while remaining easy to handle in fast-action scenarios. One of its standout features is the auto-advance cylinder system, which keeps gameplay smooth and uninterrupted. The cylinder rotates automatically after each shot, allowing for rapid firing without manual adjustments slowing you down. This ensures continuous action and keeps you focused on your target. For improved accuracy, the blaster includes integrated tactical sights that help players line up shots more effectively. These built-in aiming aids make it easier to stay locked on target and maintain consistency across multiple shots. The hammer action loading mechanism adds a classic tactical feel, offering responsive control and steady power with every prime. This system ensures each shot is delivered with reliable force while maintaining user-friendly handling for quick engagement in play. Safety is also a key part of the design. The included eyewear gear helps protect players during high-energy matches, while the safety lock feature allows the blaster to be securely disabled when not in use, preventing accidental firing. Overall, the Dart Zone Nitroshot Dart Blaster Pistol combines speed, accuracy, safety, and smooth mechanical action in a compact form, making it a strong choice for dart blaster enthusiasts who enjoy fast, competitive gameplay with reliable performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the GoldenBall S200 Dart Blaster Pistol. The GoldenBall S200 Dart Blaster Pistol is a compact, performance-focused foam dart blaster designed with precision engineering and durable construction for smooth and reliable gameplay. Built using precision injection molded components, it ensures both strength and consistent performance, making it suitable for extended use in recreational dart battles. At the core of its design is an easy priming mechanism that allows users to simply pull the rear slide to prepare for firing. This spring-powered system is paired with a magazine-in-handle configuration, offering efficient power delivery in a streamlined pistol format. The blaster is designed for quick handling and intuitive operation, including a conveniently placed right-handed magazine release located near the trigger guard for fast reloads during action. The S200 features a high-capacity magazine that can hold up to 10 soft half-length foam darts. It supports safe play while delivering an impressive effective range of approximately 95 to 100 feet. The internal firing system is capable of reaching around 120 FPS, with potential performance upgrades pushing it beyond 180 FPS for users seeking higher intensity gameplay. Safety and usability are also key highlights. An empty hang-up function prevents the blaster from firing when no darts are loaded, reducing misfires and improving reliability during use. Its compact size, measuring 233 mm by 188 mm by 43 mm by 61 mm, makes it one of the smallest pistols in its category, enhancing portability and quick-draw capability. Durability is reinforced with a metal cylinder and metal inner barrel, ensuring long-lasting mechanical stability and improved shot consistency. For better targeting, the blaster includes integrated fiber front and rear sights, allowing improved accuracy and faster target acquisition in various lighting conditions. Overall, the GoldenBall S200 Dart Blaster Pistol combines compact design, solid build quality, and strong performance features into a versatile foam dart blaster suited for both casual and competitive play. Ready to upgrade your dart battles? Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite pick, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more exciting product reviews and top 5 lists.